Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. I know that you cannot see it, you can see this red arrow, let's say, but after tapping on it you can see that here we've got the three dots icon, so let's tap. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it, but of course if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we can check some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. As you can see here, you can change the time range, you can set last hour or even all time. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data and confirm it with clear. As you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything, so starting from the list of visited websites and ending on saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.